Today's episode is brought to you by Phil's Auto Body, collision specialist. This here's for sale at Phil's Auto Body in Prairie, Chien, Wisconsin. Ooh. 4-speed pistol grip car. This is a 426 Hemi car also. Just beautiful. It belongs in a museum. Wow.
That's something. God, the thing's like brand new, isn't it?
It retains all original fasteners.
Oh, really?
Nuts, the bolts, the weather stripping is all original.
Really?
Yeah. It's a 10,000 mile car.
Jesus.
Oh, you're kidding me. I didn't realize that.
10,433 actual.
That is something. Wow. So what did you do? What did you have to do to it?
There's a picture right there. Grab that photo out.
Right there. Photo out. Oh geez.
Price will take you. The story on the car was the guy died blew a rod right away.
Yeah.
Chrysler warranted it. Come back through it, says, yeah, do it again, you're done. He went down the road, bought a bearing.
Really?
Yep, did it again. And sat in the back of the yard. Neighbor down the street tried to buy it, which is the guy I bought it from.
Okay.
And in December, him and his brother went down the street. He called up, he says, yeah, moving to Kentucky, want to sell this car. And he says, and they paid $2,000 for that car. Back then.
Yeah.
That's the way, yeah,
That
that's the way it
that was
was.
in 1971.
Oh my God.
And there's a young
And they,
Phil.
bought the
Yeah.
car.
Wow.
This,
Jeez, 10,000 miles.
yeah.
That's cool.
It is beautiful. I love this thing.
That is
And it is for sale.
What?
It needs a new caretaker, Phil says.
Are they good to your skin? So they reproduce these now, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this would have a Dana in it then, Phil?
Does have it, yeah. Mitch, the training checked it out. He's like, he just shook his head. He says, this fucking thing brand new.
Really?
I told ya.
That's something.
Crazy. Wow.
Yeah, it's really impressive.
So if you're in the Prairie, Chien, Wisconsin area, you can check this fine specimen of Mopar history out at Phil's Auto Body, right on top of the hill.
Headers, the dual exhaust, and how you need a damn bit of difference. You jump in that air cooler, Mitch, what you got in that air cooler? I don't know why.
The 340 in it.
You don't have salt?
Big block killer.
Slow it down, Claremont, fix it up.
I remember seeing it. I drove by there that day when you were looking. Well, not when you were looking at it.